Shipp Belting is a conveyor belt company located in Waco, Texas. We serve the Waco, Texas area on an industrial scale to be able to support all conveyor systems in Waco. We look at food safety a whole lot, and food safety is a high priority. How do we bring that next level to our customers? We also move into recycling, a tremendous amount in recycling. We also do a lot of one-offs. That is really where some of our niche is. It's the people that have put in plants that maybe bought things from overseas or bought things that need support, but there's not a lot of demand for that in the US. And we figured out ways to come in and support those specialty items that truly bring value to the customer and to their production. Shipp Belting started in 1938. It is a family-owned business that is on its fourth generation. The core and the reason for coming really based a lot around General Tire and then some of the companies that aren't even around anymore. Yet some of those buildings are being used in Waco for some really interesting projects for industry growth. What Waco gave from a community to allow Shipp Belting to come here really was and really is the tremendous amount of buy-in that we see from the families to us as a company. And those families are what are important to us ultimately. I started here when I was 20 years old. We're about 4 times larger now than we were then. Well, that comes from things we've done here. It comes from what Waco has done to bring people into Waco. And that growth has really been part of I guess a partnership that we've enjoyed being on a journey with. Shipp Belting has a 17-year, 10-year average that's just, it's unheard of almost. And while the culture that Greg and Alice Ogden have created here has been tremendous, I think it's the roots of what causes that to happen. And in return, we see those families respond and partner with each other. Probably what I love the most about Waco and after being here for 50 years, in my heart of hearts is family. It's the families that I've got to know, my own family that's got to be a part of that, has got to see the growth from Waco from where it used to be to where it is now. I think family is what I cherish the most about Waco.